What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to remove black streaks from stucco, even if they're real heavy, even if you can barely see them. We're going to give you all the ins and outs on how you can get rid of these. They can be very aggravating if you're not doing it right, or if you don't have your SH mix strong enough. But before we get into that, if you want to learn how we land big jobs just like the one I'm about to show you, go check out the first link in the comment section and the description. That'll be a link to our Local Domination 2 course where we're going to show you everything that you need to know about how to land those types of jobs. Also, if you need a way that you can schedule these jobs, send invoices to customers, keep track of all your customers to where you're able to follow up with them after you give an estimate, go check out the second link in the description. That'll be a link to 𝐃𝐨𝐦𝐢𝐧. We've been using it now for about 2 years and it has grown our business to where it is today. You can do automated messaging, automated emails. You can set that up. So whenever it comes to this stucco, after you do spray all this down with your 3%, it's very important to stay patient whenever you're cleaning up stucco because it does take a while to clean up. You do still have to rinse it off, being that if you leave the chemical on it, you could cause that oxidation. It'd be in the shade even. It doesn't even have to be in the sun. If you hit it with a hot enough mix and you don't rinse it off, it will oxidize it. So be sure to rinse it off, but also be sure to be patient. As you can see, whenever I started this video, all this was black and now it's starting to match this side over here. By the time we rinse it, it'll all be clean. We're pretty much just rinsing the chemical off. Again, if you got to hit it 2 or 3 times, no big deal. If you want to go up on your ratio, you can do that as well. One of the best methods whenever you're cleaning it up is to obviously use sodium hypochlorite. That's what we use every day, otherwise known as SH. And you can see we've had to treat it twice. We got the mix set to about a 3% right now, and this whole wall was black just like this side over here. We still got to rinse it down and everything. Any streaks that are still remaining is dead algae that'll rinse off with the minigun with the pressure washer and the J-rod. You don't want to pressure wash this stuff, being that it is very easy to damage and crack, or you can peel the actual coating off of the stucco, especially if it's in the sun a lot. It'll be very oxidized, and if you put any type of pressure on it, it'll remove the paint, being that it's so oxidized. If you have to, you can coat it 2 or 3 times, or you can go hotter, but you got to be careful to watch out for these doors. The metal trim around these, you will leave streaks in the metal trim around the doors and the windows, and the only way that you're going to get that out is WD-40 that we have found. If you have a different way that you have found to get those streaks out, let me know in the comments below. That's what we got for today. We're going to let this wall finish cleaning up. We're going to rinse it all down. It'll all be back to this color by the time we're done. We're going to get rid of the ugly black streak. And again, y'all go check out that first and second link in the comments and the description. And until next time, my name is Jacob. And as always, y'all stay happy, humble, and money hungry.